Do you also like kittens? Draw a healing kitten illustration with me. The process is super decompressed. The pencil gently draws the draft. Apply. Now make a plastic eraser simple pencil print light yellow and gently tile a layer of base color along the contour. Beige continues to add a layer of color. Amber draws the pattern on the kitten. Meat powder draws the small nose and traces the outline and eyes with a hook pen. Light green tiled eyes. Base color dark green deepens the upper half of the eyes and brightens the white highlights of the eyes. And draws the whiskers of the kitten. Novice Bowsy follows the painting. You can also draw the kitten that Coco loves. Try it with me.